Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done. On earth as it is in heaven, give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so before we sit, please pick up some papers and arrange your chairs. Okay, so how are you today, class? Is anyone absent for today? Okay, excellent. So now, before we start, let us recall first what was the topic we discussed last meeting. Let's start sa letter P. And what is permutation? Okay, so order is important. Yes. Then isa tayo recall sa formula. Sige. Sige. Okay, thank you. So, Carol, before we start, let us let me show you first our classroom rules. Everyone, please read.
Cooperation. Help each other and treat everyone with respect. Open-mindedness. Realistic to new ideas and different perspectives. Minimize movement. Avoid unnecessary movement around the classroom. Be quiet. When the teacher is talking. Introduce and during discussion. Excellent. Strive for your best.
Okay, so saludo number 3.
Be quiet.
Okay, diling bag, saba-saba. So now, this is our squad scoring board. So later on, after siya magamit ito, mag-routines na. Okay. So, now, unsa yung napansin ninyo sa atawa ko ang tema or teams? So, about basketball. So, inside, Pandering basketball. Asa team? So, kamot din. So, kasagaran lalaki, no? Sa ako, one of my favorite hobbies is basketball. Dati ba, gatulan ng basketball. Sa Bagigana, dribble ako. Okay. Sige, kinsa kailan eh? Dali kailan? Roko. Ano yung Roko? Kani? Sakuragi. Okay. Sakuragi. Okay. So, karon, before the mag-start, so, magpatag-natag na. So, kahit tiraning activity, title, SB. Okay, so, ang mechanics, so, iting tamog, dua. So, this will be the in Sakuragi, one, iting tamog. Okay. So, ang mechanics class, pag-isir ninyo ang sira ng nasa kuhan, TV, na picture. So, kailangan mag-ilit sa mo, no? Kailangan sabay-sabay. Dapat usog yun yung tingog. Isa yung team na usog yung tingog, sabay-sabay. Sila ako ay recognize ka mag-cancel. Wala sabdan. Yes. Wala na. Prepare na. Over na ba siya? Start na ta. Okay. Silence. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Sige, tindog. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay na. Sabay mo kuhan yun. Okay, tama man. Pagpito na ako, tingog dayon. Here go one. Roll number 3. 3, 2, 1. Roll number 3. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2,